from Red Miniature, and from Yellow Griffin. Okay, naman tayong partial na view sa ito ang mga candidates. Okay. So, who's your band? Okay, once again, no, nakapatay di baligya ang ginagawa. Tingnan na sa People's Choice Art. Okay, so again, we have our board of judges, Sir Benji Gonzalo, Ms. Trixie Avenue, and of course our very own, nag-iis sa walang iba, walang katupas. Gikan din, parang langit. Oh, unsan ni Maya. Okay? Okay, so for this we'll have our while waiting for our candidates to change for the sports fair. Kinsay na na kung ang